Alrighty guys, welcome back. I almost forgot to make this video, so I was just walking out the door to leave. But anyways, what I did today was just marking out for all the switches, all the plugs. So you got your plugs. So I just basically went around marking all the spots to mount the boxes. These are the low volt people's TV stuff, but you got your plugs there, you got a plug for the P-tag. So this is basically just the beginning stages of the first floor. So we got like 28 units down on this floor, I think. So I went through all these, marked out the plugs, the switches, then I came back with a stick and then just drew a line across it for where to mount the box. So come around with a 48-inch piece of wood, mark it. So anyways, that's basically all I did today in the last hour and a half. Started mounting the boxes. I'm at the other side of the building right now, so anyways, did a 2-3 rooms of mountain boxes. So that's basically all I did today. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this nice short little video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. I appreciate it. Thanks for all your support, guys. If you got any questions, leave it down below, and check out the description if you want to follow along on any of my social media. Catch you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.